SUN2000 450W P Smart PV Optimizer Installation Video. Supported installation solutions. Frame mounting bracket, front facing outward. Remove the label from the front or rear of the optimizer. Attach the label to the corresponding square in the physical layout diagram. You are advised to name the optimizer by its string number and location. Install the frame mounting bracket on the rear of the PV module frame. Place the optimizer. Secure the frame mounting bracket. Connect cables between the optimizer and PV module. Ensure that the terminals are securely connected. Reserve the out positive cable of the first optimizer to the inverter. Secure PV modules. Use a multimeter to check the output resistance of a single optimizer. If the measured resistance is 0.9 to 1.1 kiloohms, the optimizer is normal. If the probe is reversely connected, the measured resistance is less than the measured resistance when the probe is correctly connected. Connect the out negative cable reserved for the first optimizer to the out positive cable on the next optimizer. Reserve the out negative cable for the second optimizer to the next optimizer. Install middle clamps between PV modules. Install other optimizers and cables in the same way. Use a multimeter to measure the output resistance of the PV string. Select the minimum resistance range that meets the measurement requirements of the multimeter. Connect to the inverter. Frame mounting bracket, rear facing outward. Install the frame mounting bracket on the rear of the PV module frame. Place the optimizer. Secure the frame mounting bracket. Connect cables between the optimizer and PV module. Ensure that the terminals are securely connected. PV module support aluminum profile. Place the T-shaped bolt on the aluminum profile. Place the optimizer. Tighten the T-shaped bolt. PV module frame bolt assembly. Place the bolt assembly in the mounting hole on the PV module frame. Place the optimizer. Tighten the bolt assembly. Connect cables between the optimizer and PV module. Ensure that the terminals are securely connected.